For the Sumo Deadlift on the Smith machine, you're going to line your feet up with about the width of the rack and make sure that you have your hands placed evenly on the bar so they're about shoulder width apart, narrow enough to go between the knees, but not too narrow that it's uncomfortable for the back or compromises your chest and back posture. Be sure to squeeze back to take any slack out of the weight of the bar before standing, engaging your core and lifting through the hips, then through the knees, and straightening up at the top for full hip and knee extension. Stand up tall, squeeze, and then repeat that motion.